Hello everyone, after going through the basics of charging of an electric vehicle, it is important to understand another concept which happens after charging, that is cell balancing. While connecting the lithium-ion cell in series and parallel, it is ensured that they are of the same voltage and chemistry. But once the battery pack is installed and subjected to charging and discharging, the voltage values of the individual cells tends to vary, which causes cell imbalance over a period. Cell imbalance can cause cell degradation, incomplete charging of the pack, incomplete use of pack energy. Hence, to maintain a proper battery pack health, it is important that the cells undergo balancing during their charging cycle. Imbalance in cell can be caused by internal cell resistance variation, temperature of the cell, SOC imbalance, over a period of charging and discharging cycles. Cell balancing is a technique in which the voltage level of every individual cell connected in series to form a battery pack is maintained to be equal to achieve the maximum efficiency of the battery pack. The different types of cell balancing applicable in an electric vehicle are active cell balancing and passive cell balancing. In active cell balancing, charge is transferred actively from a cell with higher voltage to a cell with lower voltage using an internal circuit or logic. This is achieved by using charge-storing components like capacitors and inductors. In passive cell balancing, a resistor is used to discharge the excess voltage of a cell which is at higher voltage, to equalize with other cells. This excess voltage or charge is dissipated as heat. Each cell connected in series has its own bypass resistor connected through a switch like MOSFET. In Mahindra, balancing is done through passive cell balancing technique once the battery pack has reached to 100% SOC during charge. As shown in the example diagram, load in the form of resistor is used to discharge the cell with higher voltage. This is controlled by the IEMS or BMS through MOSFET switch. Let's understand when balancing will start for any battery pack. 1. When the vehicle is in charge mode. 2. All the voltage and temperature sensors are working. 3. Difference between maximum and minimum cell voltage is more than 200 mV. Now let's understand when cell balancing will end. 1. If difference between maximum and minimum cell voltage is less than 100 mV. 2. If charger cable is unplugged from the charging port. 3. In case of cell balancing, timeout happens and it varies models to model. Hope this video has helped to understand the concept of cell balancing and its importance. Thank you.